Have you been annoyed by the Aacdec Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze HE-AAC Audio Decoder dependency and restore that missing file. Before we begin the walkthrough for Aacdec Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Aacdec Library, a specialized AAC, Advanced Audio Coding Decoder. It passes ADTS or MPEG-4 audio headers and utilizes fixed point or floating point arithmetic to perform inverse modified discrete Cosine transform IMDCT operations. This facilitates the conversion of lossy AAC bitstream manifests into raw 16-bit or 24-bit PCM audio data links. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Aacdec is part of a game graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, then update GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Aacdec library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Aacdec Library DLL within your System32 or SysWow64 folders. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Aacdec Library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Aacdec Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.